Welcome to a week's worth in a vlog. I'm off to do a hike with my friend right now and then to the cidery place. I gotta clean my place. I've got a couple of clients this week, workout classes, friends I'm meeting. So we're gonna show you everything. It's been really nice weather out, which has been great. Like honestly, kind of was shorts weather, but still a little bit cold. So I do have some meal prep I'm picking up, and then yeah, should be
spring, and then I said, "All right, so you're moving to Vic in spring?" I'm like, haha, it's not.